Hey everyone, check out this 36-inch outdoor wood-burning fire pit with a versatile barbecue grate perfect for backyard fun. This heavy-duty steel fire pit bowl measures 36 inches in diameter and 23 inches tall with a 29-inch fire bowl depth. It can hold up to 90 pounds of wood, so you can enjoy longer fires without constant refueling. The fire pit features diamond-shaped vents for excellent airflow that keeps flames strong and prevents sparks from flying out. Plus, it has a built-in steel wood grate and 6 hidden bottom holes to promote superior circular airflow. The fire pit is coated with high-temperature resistant paint that withstands heat up to 1200 degrees Celsius without cracking or peeling. It even comes with a half-cooking grill, stainless steel grate mesh spark screen, and a 20-inch fire poker for safe, easy use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.